So dear students, today we are going to discuss article. When we talk about article, let us identify its grammatical identity. Grammatical identity of article is debatable. One set of traditional grammarian will say that article is the part of adjective. It is in the parts of speech, article comes as the part of adjective. Another set of grammarians disagree and they say that article is another part of speech. It is an independent part of speech. It is the ninth part of speech. But why do they debate over it? First, article as the part of adjective. All the numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the numbers are adjectives. You must remember, all the numbers are adjective. And indefinite article and they come for ONE one. They come for one. And that is why, since they identify, they describe the number, they are the adjectives. When again at the same time article the, in many cases article the is used to identify a thing that is one in the given environment, like the sun, the moon, the Himalayas, the Vindhyas, the Aravalli, one in the given environment, one of its kind. The principal, given environment, school, and the principal is only one. So that way they stand for one and they are the part of adjective. But in many cases, articles stand, they carry definite distinguished identity. For example, when we talk about definite article, and the indefinite and definite articles, we can never replace a by ONE one. We can never replace an by ONE one. One cannot say I study in one university, rather he will say I study in a university. One cannot say I want to purchase one umbrella, rather person will say in a better expression, I wish to have an umbrella. I wish to purchase an umbrella. So that segmental identity and their ethos, holistic approach distinguishes it from adjective, and that is why another set of the grammarian, modern grammarian, they declare it as the ninth part of speech after noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection and adjectives. This is the ninth parts of speech. Let us think about their function. Next slide please. A and an indefinite article. A doctor stands means any doctor. The definite doctor. He saw the doctor, meaning some particular doctor. So I need the doctor to have my checkup, but he is absent. Means the doctor that I need is absent. For one more example I would like to give for it, that in a storyline, many years ago there was a lion. Second statement, the lion was very brave. The lion was king of the jungle. So for the first time introducing a thing will be, what will be it? It will be indefinite article. Many years ago there was a lion. And when it is already introduced, the lion was very brave. Next please. Use of an. The choice between a and an is determined by the sound, vowel sound. An will be used when the vowel sound. Even the letter may be consonant, but their sound will be vowel. For example, MLA. He is an MLA. Alphabet M is consonant, but the sound is having vowel first sound M. A is the vowel sound. That is why he is an MLA, he is an MP. And later on, that sound, even if the letter like hotel, HOTEL, an hotel, an hour late. Train is an hour late. So that H sound is also, it is coming in the A sound, and that is why it will be carrying an as the antecedent. And then before words beginning with consonant sound A is used. Before words beginning with H and not accented, we use an historical novel, an hotel. Next slide, please. Particular thing and person, definite article. Let us talk about when should we use definite article. A particular thing or person, like the book you want is out of print. Here the book stands for not any ordinary book, rather the book that you want, a special book. Here the book stands, the is functioning fully as an adjective. When a singular noun represents the whole class, the cow is a useful animal. Means cow is representing whole cow class, and then the cow stands for, the will be used as the article. But if two nouns, man and women, used in general sense to denote the whole class, never have either of the article, like man is mortal. Next. Then usages. With the name of gulfs, rivers, seas, ocean, group of islands and the mountain ranges, book's name, the article, definite article is used. Like the Himalayas, the Vindhyas, the Aravalli, the Arabian Ocean, the Nile, and the Andaman Islands, and the mountain ranges, the Himalayas, Vindhyas, the Mahabharata, and the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea. Before common nouns unique of their own kind, means that is one, unique of its kind, the sun, the moon, the earth, the ocean, etc. Next please. Before a proper noun qualified by an adjective, like the proper noun Shakespeare, the immortal Shakespeare. Shakespeare is qualified by an adjective. With superlative degrees, the darkest cloud has a silver lining. With ordinals, he was the first man, first, second, third, we will be using. He was the third to reach. Then before musical instrument, he can play the flute, or the flute player of Vrindavan. Next. Before an adjective, when noun is understood, the poor are always with us. Here I would like to give you one more example, like the rich means rich persons, the poor, poor persons, poor people. The rich person stands for singular, people stand for plural. So the rich means poor, rich people, the poor means poor people. And then the English means English language, the English means English people. Then understood, the poor are always here. Up and down also they can take, when they are used as noun, the ups and the downs of the life, so they will carry article the. Next please. Use of indefinite article. Indefinite article stands for one, and 12 inches makes a foot, stands for certain. One evening a beggar came to me. Any beggar. Next please. Omission. When should we not use the article, any of the article, whether definite or indefinite? Before a common noun used in its widest sense. Man is mortal. Names of materials. Gold is a precious material. Before proper noun, Delhi is capital of India. Proper noun, never take any of the article. And then before abstract noun used in general sense, wisdom is the gift of God. But an abstract noun qualified by an adjective may have an article. Like the wisdom of the Solomon is famous. Before languages, we are studying English. There will not be any of the article. Next. Before school, colleges, church, bed, table, hospital, markets, prison, when visited for the primary purpose. We go to church on Sunday. Here visiting purpose is worship. My uncle is still in hospital as a patient. If you are visiting police station as a police inspector Delhi, you are visiting to police station. If you want to, if your nephew visited you in the police station, so that way there will be the police station. Then the is used with these words when we refer them to as a different place. I met him at the church, means not for worship, rather by chance they were there. I met him in front of the civil hospital. I went to the hospital to see my uncle. Means not either as a patient or as a nurse or as a doctor, but as a visitor. I went to the hospital to see my uncle. Next please. Thank you. Thanks a lot.